Bag drops. Ano pa ko? Okay, security pala muna. Saan yung immigration? Okay, wala na palang immigration nga pala dito. So, security na pala, fast track security kasi may immigration. Okay, wait lang. I remember, wala na nga palang immigration palabas ng UK. So, dito tayo. Prepare security, passengers only pass this point. Ito tayo sa Gold Track Star Alliance. Okay, I'm in. That was fast. Mabilis talaga pag fast track. Although I don't see long lines naman sa non-fast track. So, I'll have to look for the lounge. Lufthansa lounge daw. Saan nga ba yun? Oh my God, wait lang. Ay! No. Ay, may bibili pa pala ako sa ano. Sa duty free pala. Mag-duty free muna ako. Ang very, very light. Ano ba go? Sana ganito, oh. Sana all. Oh, may Louis Vuitton pa dun, oh. They have Hamleys here. Hamleys is a famous toy store in London. Not just in London, I guess, but in UK. It's a very, very old toy store. Ang cute. Touch and find. Okay. Enough na muna. Enough na. Enough na sa shopping. I'm gonna go to the lounge now. Okay, let's go down sa lounge. I wanna try 2 lounges here. Kasi pwede ka naman sa dalawang lounge. Pero ang sabi sa akin, I take the Lufthansa lounge. But I think United is better. So, pupunta natin United. I think I did that last time. Dalawa yung pinagkahan ko. Tapos na tayo lumaps ng slide sa United Lounge. So, dito na tayo sa business lounge. Oh my God. Lalo ako na not. Okay, malapit na ako makarating sa dulo. Zurich Airport. Hello. Hi. I'm now in Zurich with my friend. Okay, ayan. Mag-train kami. Ay, huwag tayo doon sa taas, ah. Parang ito yung problema ko sa train ninyo, eh. Di ba pagpasok may ano? May ganun-ganun. May ganun-ganun. May steps. Oh my God, mamili tayo ng wala. Parang wala tayong choice, Mar. And so, we are now in Horgen. Horgen Station, Horgen. Mag-ano lang kami. Magpapadulas lang kami. Ang ganda ko. I love the place. Oh, may lake sa labas. Sabay-sabay. This is such a struggle. Ha?
May lift.
Saan?
Kaso like, siguro ginagawa pa.
Hindi pa nila binilisan? Alam naman nilang parating na ako. So, dito lang yung bus stop?
Yes.
Antara! Ilang minutes?
For you, 30.
Ang layo! Maaraw! Palit tayo ng maleta. Lakas na loob mo, ha? Laki na maleta ko.
Yung area namin, walang mga ganito. Dito,
Parang very, ano siya noon, parang very residential, tahimik lang na, ano, ito parang ang daming mga establishments. Pero magbabas ka pa rin kasi.
oh,
Or maglalakad.
malapit lang, di ba? Like,
Well, I have all your problems. Because I have a big appetite and I crave.
trust me.
want rice?
No.
No. I kind of, actually, it's fine. It's good. Take
Ah.
your enjoy.
That's good.
So, pang-init pala. Pang-catering pala.
It's to keep warm.
Yeah. I thought we're gonna cook.
Oo nga, akala ko.
I thought we're gonna cook ano.
Where's the soy sauce?
It's like ano, yun sa Amsterdam.
Yeah.
Diba? They have ano, but that one is free so you can go to the other side.
No, it's paid.
No, the one in Amsterdam.
Really?
Yeah.
Hindi ko alam.
Which one? The last one?
No. We go to the
Where are we going?
Maybe they have veg.
You're looking for dessert, right?
Sometimes merong like swan na dumadaan. Tapos si Luna, kwak, 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 kwak. Talaga si Luna, oh my God.
So, tuwa siya.
Sobra.
Good afternoon. So, we're going down here. Like, is this the better way? It's a bit of a shortcut. So you always go here with Luna. This,
Train.
yeah, there's a train track.
Yeah.
We took this one earlier, the bridge. Look at the lake. Diba? Lake na kaagad. It's so nice. Wait lang. Mag-Jisu life muna tayo. Oh my God. Never again ako mag-Europe sa summer. Hindi tayo sa lilim. So malalim. Makapabilis tayo. Okay. The lakad is manageable. Kaya naman siya makarating. It's the heat. These collards. Hindi na kaya ng ano. Ng Jisu life ko. Nagkakayak sa mulder. Oh, Diyos ko. Masarap mag-dive. Masarap maligo. Refreshing up. Diyos ko, Lord. I think that's what they pay. That's what they pay for. And ito may entrance na daw dyan. I think that's it. Now, we're gonna watch a movie. We're going to Zurich. Hey guys, ano lang kami na movie? Wala kami na movie, Jurassic Park. Malapit na tayo sa Tuktok Mars. This is their movie house. Parang konti lang yung tao.
All that happened eh.
Oras bang start? We're done watching the movie and eating. Ang sarap na lasagna. Hindi maasim. I love it. So, balik na kami. Mag-tram kami ulit. And, ano ba? Tram and train and bus.
Tram, train, bus.
Ayun, mabalik na kami ulit sa, sa Longga.
And tomorrow,
And tomorrow I'm gonna go to Grindelwald. Ay, maglo-Luzern pa pala muna ako din Grindelwald. Mag-impake na ako. Kasi nakiwash ko ng mga damit. Para makapag-wash and wear ako.
What's your favorite music on all the way baritone?